Hello, I'm Mr. Frost. Welcome back. This is season 1, episode 2. I'm going to do a unboxing of my new Outers 22 caliber, 22 long rifle is what it's made for. 22 caliber bullet trap that I picked up for $81 at one of my local stores called Champion's Choice today. And other items that I bought while I was there on November the 24th. So just the other day. Picked up some these targets for it. They're B40 100 count for $6. And then I purchased some RWS Master Coogan. These are in 177 caliber pellets for the rifle. The 8.2 grain, 500 count, and I end up purchasing 2 of these, and they were $10 a piece. These little black Champion's Choice safety sleeve, what these are made for is you take your pellets when they're open so you don't spill them anywhere, like if you're hunting or whatever, or just transporting them and you don't want the lid, because these are not screw-on lids for the pellets, and they save them. And I end up actually picking up like 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the 5th one right here that was hiding from me. But they're great. I've used some of these in the past, and I'm getting back into air gunning and everything, so that's why I purchased the trap here. I used to have one of these. It was great. Being make dents for pellet guns, made for, like I said, a 22 bullet. It never does show a dent on the other side. And I set these off to the side. Then I also went to the local Academy Sports and purchased these RWS R-10 Match, 8.2 grain, 500 count, and 177 as well. And I've never shot these. I'm looking forward to shooting these as well. Leave all this over to the side so we can get to the unboxing. Get my trusty Heart pocket knife as a tape cutter and a flathead Phillips blade on it. So we're going to use the tape cutter. Slide this heavy box over. Oh yeah, and it's already pre-put together. Like the old ones, you had to put together. So, you know, that's one thing I love, that when he pulled it out of the back of the warehouse, said you don't have to put it together no more. Let's see if I can't get this heavy thing out of here. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Champion's range in target. Yep, made out of metal, steel. We'll use that for a Christmas box this year. Heavy. Oh, I may not need that. Little binder clip to hold the targets on. Don't need that. Got stuck. All this. Woo. Let's see. Stretch up my new table. 22 caliber bullet trap. You know, as you can see, it gives you all the warnings in different languages and everything. Says for 22 caliber rimfire only, but I use it for a pellet gun. So yep, a few scratches. Then you just pop this little thing in the center, and what this does, this little piece here, there's a little round bar right here. It just pops up on here, swing it down in the center, center it out. Then this little binder clip just clips right there. Then all you do is just put your paper target. When you open it up, piece of paper, whatever, it clips underneath here like this. Just clip it down on there, and then you just start shooting away. And these are the 10-meter pistol targets, and it gives you a little bit more room on each side, but you can go with a little bit bigger targets that would fit kind of flush in here on the sides, so if you wanted to. But can't wait to get this out in the yard, start shooting my new pellet gun that I'm gonna have to do an unboxing for too here soon, and last a few rounds. I bought a Gammo Swarm Maxi, I think that's how it's pronounced, Generation 2, with the clip, 10-round clip that sits on top. And I bought the new Daisy Red Ryder Christmas Edition 2020 that came out for this Christmas. And I don't know if I'll be unboxing it. I probably won't. That'd probably be just something I put up and add to the collection. Those, I've been trying to buy them every year, and try to order me some more clips for squirrel hunting next year. But yeah, this is my new Outers brand 22 caliber bullet trap. $81 at the local store, Champion's Choice. Can't go wrong with them. They do competition air guns. They sell air guns. They actually sell competition 22 rifles as well. And they'll ship you a book. You can actually, if you're not local here in Tennessee, you can actually go on their website and order a catalog, place an order, and they've been there for years down there where they're located, and they'll be more than happy to take care of you. Me being local, there's actually a door where you can go in, point out in the catalog, hey, I want this, this, and this. They go back in the warehouse, grab it, and you can walk out with it and pay local sales tax. Where if you had to place an order, you would still have to pay, like for me here in Tennessee, I would still, in local, it was state taxes plus shipping, so I saved shipping by just driving down there to pick it up. About an hour and a half drive one way to pick it up. But I'm looking forward to this being out shooting, to sighting my new gun, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it as well here soon enough. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. And I'll see you in the future.